Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on always showing the scroll bar on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Visual Effects. Here in Visual Effects, you will see the first option is Always Show Scroll Bars. You can enable it by clicking the toggle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.